The Find a Replacement feature in Deputy is a fast and stress-free way to get available, qualified cover when the unexpected happens. When someone calls in sick or you need to make a change to who's working, it's as easy as a couple of clicks. Here, my colleague Chris has messaged to say he can't work this shift tomorrow. On the desktop app, click Edit on the selected shift, then Shift Actions and Find Replacement. Here you'll see first who's recommended, meaning they're available and meet any training criteria for the area of work. This massively reduces the need to phone around and scour through your team's availability. Simply click on the staff member to invite them to take the shift. You can also do this on the go, on the Deputy smartphone app. Tap the People tab, choose who you're replacing, then their shift that needs covering, then find a replacement. Again, you'll first see who it makes sense to choose from. I'll select Barry here and click Send. This effectively turns the original shift into an open shift. If I'd have selected more than one person to invite, it would be claimed on a first-come, first-served basis. Barry will receive a push notification and an email alerting him of the newly available shift. He can accept by going to Available Shifts, choosing the relevant shift and tapping Claim Shift. The manager is immediately alerted that this replacement has been confirmed, and the schedule page automatically updates to reflect the new shift owner. And finally, Chris is also notified that his shift has now been successfully covered by his colleague. And that's how to find a replacement in Deputy.